Hello students, today in this video we will do our first poem, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Firstly, I am giving brief introduction of this poem. This poem is based on a very common experience. A traveler a traveler was going through a forest. He reached a point where the road diverged into two directions. Both the roads looked equally attractive to the traveler, but he decided to take the one that did not show much sign of having been used. It is true that if he had chosen the beaten path, he could be sure of reaching somewhere. He would not have faced many difficulties or problems in life, but he took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. Forrest Frost suggests that Robert Frost poet है तो Robert Frost suggests that the choices which one makes in one's life are made forever. One cannot turn back and make a second choice regarding one's goal in life. Therefore, it is very essential that one should exercise great caution in making any big choice in life. He also suggests that by choosing the ordinary course in life, one cannot hope to become extraordinary. In other words, risks have to be taken to achieve something big and extraordinary. Now, I will explain the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. Once the poet was traveling through a forest. He reached a point from where the road diverged into two directions. Diverged meaning divided. Wood meaning jungle, forest. Once the poet was traveling through a forest, he reached a point from the road diverged into two directions. एक बार कवि येलो वुड से यात्रा कर रहा था, जंगल से, वुड मीन फॉरेस्ट, जंगल, जंगल से यात्रा कर रहा था, और यात्रा करने के दौरान टू रोड्स, दो सड़कें हैं, वो डाइवर्ज हो गई, डिवाइड हो गई, अलग अलग हो गई. एंड सॉरी आई कुड नॉट ट्रेवल बोथ. In this way, the poet could not travel by both the roads at the same time. तो कवि कहता है कि मैं एक ही समय पे could not travel both, दोनों सड़कों पे ट्रेवल नहीं कर सकता था. एंड बी वन ट्रेवलर क्योंकि वह एक ही यात्री था, और एक यात्री होने के कारण दोनों सड़कों पे यात्रा नहीं कर सकता था. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. Long, the poet has to make choice between the two roads. To make choice, he stood a long time. He thought a long time. He considered about both the roads for a long time. So long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. तो long में लंबे समय तक, look down में देखता गया, देखता रहा एज फार एज आई कुड, जहाँ तक मैं देख सकता था मैं दोनों सड़कों को देखता रहा। टू वेयर, जहाँ पे इट बेंट, बेंट मीन मोड़ना, मोड़ खाना। इन द अंडरग्रोथ, अंडरग्रोथ मीन्स बसीज, झाड़ियाँ। द पोइट स्टूड फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम एंड ही लुक्ड द वन रोड एज फार एज ही कुड, जहाँ तक वो देख सकता था उस सड़क को देखता रहा। टू वेयर ही सा द रोड, टू द प्लेस वेयर इट बेंट एंड डिसअपियर्ड इन द बसीज। और कवि इस सड़क को तब तक उस दूरी तक देखता रहा जहाँ पे यह मुड़ी और झाड़ियों में डिसअपियर हो गई, गायब हो गई। देन टुक, now we lead to the second stanza. Then took the other just as fair. Now the poet decided to took the other. After observing the first road, he decided to took the other road. तो कवि अब कन्फ्यूजन की हालत में है और वह दूसरा सड़क लेने की सोचता है। Then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim. Then took the other, फिर कवि दूसरे रोड को, दूसरी सड़क को लेने की सोचता है। Just as fair, just as fair, fair. It means it was as beautiful as the first one. Just as fair. यह सड़क उतनी अच्छी थी जैसे कि पहले वाली जिसको उसने ऑब्जर्व किया था। And having perhaps the better claim. The poet thought that maybe it will be the better road than the other. तो कवि सोचता है कि हो सकता है कि ये पहले वाली सड़क से अच्छी सड़क हो। Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Because क्योंकि it was grassy. The second road was grassy. Grass grew on this road. Grass, घास इस रोड पे उगी हुई थी। एंड वांटेड वियर, वांटेड वियर मीनिंग टोर्न आउट, लेस ट्रेवल्ड, घिसी पिटी न होना। तो कवि कहता है कि यह घास से युक्त थी। द ग्रास ग्रीव ओवर इट एंड वांटेड वियर, इट वॉज लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाई द ट्रेवलर्स। दो एज फॉर that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Though as for that the passing there, though as for क्योंकि that the passing there यह वहाँ से गुजर रही थी और it was the same road as the first one. As for the passing there, had warned them really about the same. Had warned, it was not worn out. Really, them really about the same. Them meaning both the roads, really was them about the same meaning समान थी। तो कवि सोचता है कि जो सड़क यहाँ से गुजर रही थी दूसरी को जब वो ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है तो सोचता है कि हैड वोन देम रियली अबाउट द सेम, बोथ द रोड्स आर ट्रेवल्ड बाय लेस ट्रेवलर्स एंड दे वर नॉट worn out. The poet thought that this road had better claim to be travelled by. But after some time, he seems confused and think that both the roads showed equal signs of use and wear, कि दोनों सड़कें यूज करने के बराबर संकेत दे रही हैं और दोनों सड़कें सेम वर्न आउट हैं, बराबर रूप से घिसी हुई है, ट्रेवल की हुई है. Now we will lead to the third stanza. And both that morning equally lay. It was the morning time and the season was autumn. The leaves were, there were leaves both on both the roads, दोनों सड़कों पर पत्तियां थी. And both that morning equally lay. That morning, उस सुबह, both the roads were covered with leaves. Equally lay in leaves. So that morning both the roads were covered with leaves. No step had trodden black. No step had trodden black means no change in the shape. No change in the shape. There was not any change in the shape of the roads. Both the roads were covered with leaves. दोनों सड़कें पत्तों से ढकी हुई थी. And no traveler had gone by them so far. कोई भी यात्री उनके ऊपर से गुजरा नहीं था. Neither of them had been trodden black. Trodden black, neither of them, उनमें से कोई सी भी सड़क ब्लैक नहीं हुई थी, यानी कि घिसी पिटी नहीं थी, पैरों से क्रैश नहीं हुई थी. Oh, I kept the first for another day. After considering some time, the poet decided to go by the second road and kept the first for the another day. Oh, I kept the first for the another day. After considering a lot of time, the poet decided to travel on the another road, and he thought he will use the first road some other time. तो कवि गहन विचार करने के बाद दूसरी सड़क पे यात्रा करने की सोचता है, और वो सोचता है कि भाई पहली सड़क है वो मैं कभी किसी दूसरे समय यूज करूँगा. Yet knowing how way leads on to way. Yet knowing में पता था, how कैसे, way रास्ते, leads on to way. Way leads on to way मीनिंग ट्रांसवर्स पथ, एक रास्ते से दूसरे रास्ते पे जाना, एक रास्ते से दूसरा रास्ता निकलना, एक रास्ते से बहुत सारे रास्ते निकलना. The poet already knew that there are so many way which diverge from the same way, कि एक ही रास्ते से बहुत ज़्यादा रास्ते जंगल में फटते हैं. I doubted, then the poet feel doubt that there was little chance. I doubted if I should ever come back, कि I should ever मैं कभी come back में नहीं वापस आऊँगा. Then the poet became doubtful and he thought that I will not be able to come back in this confused forest. In this confused path, so the poet knew that there was little chance of his coming back, since every road led to the new road. क्योंकि कवि को पता था कि उसके वापस आने के कम चांस हैं। एवरी रोड लीड्स टू द न्यू रोड, प्रत्येक सड़क से एक नई सड़क निकलती है, प्रत्येक रास्ते से एक नया रास्ता निकलता है। Now we shall lead to the last stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. The poet imagines a time many ages hence. Here the poet imagines a time many ages after many ages. यहाँ पे कवि बहुत समय बाद की कल्पना करता है कि आई शैल बी टेलिंग, मैं बताऊंगा, दिस, यह बात, विद ए साई, साई में सैडली, समवेयर एजिज एंड एजिज हैंस, समवेयर मीनिंग कहीं, एजिज एंड एजिज मीनिंग बहुत समय बाद, आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग पीरियड। तो कवि कहता है कि इफ आई विल चूज द रॉन्ग पथ, इफ आई विल चूज द wrong path, if I will take the wrong decision, then I will have to be repent in my life, and I will tell the people after a long time sadly कि two roads diverged in a wood, two roads, दो सड़कें, diverged में divided हुई, diverge हुई, इन द वुड में, इन ए वुड में जंगल में, जंगल में दो सड़कें थी और वो आगे चल करके डिवाइड हो गई। एंड आई टुक द वन लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाई, एंड आई टुक एंड आई चूज द वन लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाई, लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाई, लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाई में लेस यूज्ड, कम प्रयोग की हुई, और मैं बताऊंगा कि मैंने कम प्रयोग की हुई सड़क को चुना। एंड दैट हैज़ मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस, एंड दैट हैज़ मेड, और उस चॉइस ने, उस चॉइस ने क्या कर दिया, मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस, यह सब अंतर डाल दिया। मेरे जीवन में जो भी अंतर है वो उस चॉइस ने डाल दिया। मैं लोगों को बताऊंगा, इफ़ आई विल चूज wrong road and I will take wrong decision in my life. This choice of the poet made all the difference. It affected not only the future course of the poet's life on the earth, but also of his spirit in the life after death. The poet means to say that a man has to choose between the roads of materialism and spiritualism in his life. कवि कहता है कि एक व्यक्ति को जीवन में भौतिकतावाद और आध्यात्मिकतावाद को चुनना पड़ता है। द चॉइस वंस मेड इज मेड फॉर गुड। तो एक बार जो निर्णय ले लिया जाता है वो अखंड होता है, वो बदला नहीं जा सकता। वन कैन नॉट टर्न बैक एंड मेक ए सेकेंड चॉइस। इफ ए पर्सन लीड्स टू ए रोड to a choice, then he cannot come back to the second choice, because he become habitual to that choice and he did not want to leave that choice. And if he took wrong choice, wrong decision, it will make lot of difference in his life. We have completed the poem. I think you have understood it. Try to read it yourselves also. Thank you, students.